Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video we are going to discuss about speed. What is speed? Do you know? Imagine watching a flash of lightning and thundering of loud. First we see the flash of lightning. A few seconds later we hear thunder. This happens because sound and light travel at different speeds. Light travels much faster than sound. Different waves travel at different speeds. The distance a wave covers in unit time is called its speed. Speed is measured in meter per second. Sound travels at different speeds in different mediums. Speed is a scalar quantity that refers how fast an object is moving. Speed can be thought of as the rate at which an object covers distance. So viewers, next we will discuss about the formula of speed. Speed is equal to distance over time. That means it is equal to the distance travelled divided by time. I hope so you understood this simple concept about speed and the formula of speed. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.